Hello, in this video I'll be demonstrating how you can access functionality in Sybiz Vision and Sybiz Visipay using keyboard shortcuts. This menu up here is what we call the ribbon bar. Now you can quickly access functionality with your keyboard from the quick launch with Control Q as we've shown in another video. And in that video we mentioned that some people might be using a terminal without a mouse attached. Maybe users need additional accessibility options, or maybe you just want a faster workflow that doesn't require clicking around. When we hit the Alt key, you'll see the ribbon items now have a letter associated with them. So to access letters, I then hit Alt D, and within that each icon has further letters associated. So if I type Alt U, then I get the utilities drop down. It's as easy as that. Thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing Sybiz.